Hello, nice to see you again. So today I want to talk about my Black Friday deals. From last year, Black Friday, were they actually deals? So I'll link my unboxing video up here somewhere. But if you remember, I bought 2 ginormous bags of tea as part of my Black Friday deals. So the Earl Grey Moonlight is black tea, orange peels, blue cornflowers, vanilla flavor, bergamot flavor, and natural cream flavor or creme flavor. It's very much a Earl Grey creme. And then we have Earl Grey Bravo, which again, black tea, orange peels, and then bergamot and blue cornflowers. So none of the vanilla that the Earl Grey Moonlight has. So pretty similar teas. And I have to say, I loved both of them. They were gorgeous teas, and Adagio tea just has such good flavor. It's always really fresh tea. But this was a lot of tea. I mean, this is 2 pounds of tea, which is a ridiculous amount of tea, especially considering I've almost finished them. I mean, there's just a tiny little bit in both packages, but I've basically finished them. So what does that mean? Were they a deal? And I have to say they were. I mean, 2 pounds of tea is a lot of tea. And I drank these pretty much every day from December through mid-April. So almost every day I drank one or the other, most days, because I usually start my day with Earl Grey. So I bought them Black Friday, all of December, January, February, March, and then through mid-April. So my 2 pounds of tea, this is a lot of tea, but it lasted a long time. And I think one of the reasons it lasted as long as it did is that Adagio has a really great packaging. This is basically Ziploc, keeps everything really airtight. Oh, smells so good. Really, really airtight. It has a really nice seal. You can get the air out of it. So airtight, nice seal. So if you're gonna buy a lot of tea, especially I think this tea would have stayed fresh for another 2 or 3 months, quite frankly. I mean, if you drink this tea a lot, I think I could have gotten 2 or 3 months or more. I mean, it never would have lasted in my house that long. But as far as freshness, easily, this thing would have lasted 6 months. Now that brings me to storing tea. So first of all, never put tea in the freezer. It's not coffee. Tea is tea leaves, and the tea leaves are dried, but when you take them out of the freezer, the thawing out of being in the freezer is gonna cause humidity and moisture is gonna rot your tea. So don't put tea in the freezer. You always wanna have someplace that's dry, room temperature, and then airtight. So a cabinet, a cupboard, an airtight bag, just something that's airtight, doesn't need to be in the freezer whatsoever. Don't do that, you don't have to. So in my review, I would give these teas, both of them, 5 daisies. Yes, 5 daisies for both of them. I just bought another pound of Earl Grey Moonlight because I just love it so much. And I'm just really excited. I have another pound of tea coming, I can't wait. 5 daisies, totally worth my Black Friday deal. Definitely was a deal, and yeah, I can't say enough. This was a great tea. Really, really flavorful, very fragrant, very fresh, stayed fresh the whole time. Nice twist on the leaves. I mean, Adagio is a beautiful tea. You can't go wrong with Adagio. Earl Grey Moonlight, Earl Grey Bravo. Nice deal for my Black Friday deal. Feel like I got my dollar. All right, until next time, see ya.